Chef Tai here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make our famous crispy Brussels and crispy bacon together. So here we're going to make a crispy bacon with some nice seasoning and with a chili pepper flake. So lay down the bacon, sprinkle some brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and then chili flakes. And then it goes into the oven. Simple as that. And let it cook for about 22 minutes. It will come out nice and super crisp. For this dish, you're going to need a diced onion, diced bell pepper, and you can use any bell pepper color that you want. You may want to add a yellow or orange into it. A little bit of kale. And we're going to be slicing some Brussels sprouts. So Brussels sprout kind of works like a cabbage in a way. Has multiple layers of leaves on it. Cut the bottom stem off and you'll basically quarter them as such. So you can do a quick saute on a fry pan, or we can deep fry it, or we can bake it. For the baking process, it will be just a simple toss in the oil and a seasoning. And just bake it in the oven and add it into saute pan later. For our purpose, we're going to give a quick fry on a deep fat fryer. And watch out, it will splatter a little bit as it dissipates a liquid content from the Brussels sprout leaves. It's nice little browning on it. Once the oil's nice and hot, you're going to add a little bit of a bell pepper and onions. Give it a quick stir. Add in the Brussels. Crisp up the bacon that we have made earlier and give it a nice little chop on it. Going to add about 1 tablespoon full of chopped bacon. And we're finally going to put a little bit of a salt. And a pepper. And finish with some kale. So that's it right here, finished out. We're going to be garnishing with a little Parmesan. So that's it, super simple. This is how we do our Brussels sprouts with the crispy bacon here at our restaurant. The entire process takes less than 6 minutes from the beginning to the end. And you can prepare all these ingredients ahead of the time so you can make an even quicker preparation at your kitchen. But again, thank you for coming to my channel. Enjoy.